What's going on, everybody? We got a 1995 Ford F-250 regular cab long bed. Sharp looking truck. It's rust free. It's got the 5.8 fuel injected, auto, AC, power windows, power locks. Pretty nice looking truck. This truck needs some mechanical work. It needs a steering box. It needs the rear tail housing installed on the transmission and a rear drive shaft. All three of them are broken. The tail housing is included. Looks pretty nice inside the bed. Interior needs a little bit of work, but not too bad. Tail housing. A little bit of mud underneath, but it's rust free. .8 fuel injected, battery's missing. We did fire it up and the engine sounds good. Had the typical exhaust leak somewhere. So if you're looking for a nice project truck, need some mechanical work, this may be it. No, we do not take trades. No, we do not finance. Bring a trailer and we can load it up for you. Thanks for watching.